Hello, welcome to this analysis on Pound New Zealand. This is a weekly chart. Going to quickly go over my thoughts on it, how I draw my levels, etc. So the first thing that I notice on this weekly chart is that we've come up and we've spiked this high and reversed. Also, what I notice is we have two highs in here. We will draw the high to the bodies of the candle, and that will act as support and resistance. You can see it clearly on the daily time frame. Resistance, then sat above it as support before failing to break this high and breaking down, breaking market structure. Now we're coming back nicely to test this level. I will be looking for selling opportunities in this area to send this downwards. Seasonally, Pound New Zealand tends to make a high round the start of February, so either this week or next week it'll form out a high and hopefully start dropping in February and March. So that's the analysis. How I'd enter. Usually look for Monday's ranges, but for now I'll leave it at that, and then when entry time comes we can have a look at it. So we also have this bearish sort of impulse move, and then we have this little correction, quite symmetrical, quite nice little correction. So looking for a move to the downside on this, and that is how I drew it. Any questions, let me know in the comments below, and wish you all the best.